Back-to-back interest rate cuts in June and July. The big four banks have responded really quickly to the RBA's second interest rate cut. The ANZ passed on the full cut. Westpac has cut their interest rate loans by 2 basis points. CBA and NAB both lowered theirs by 19 basis points. Currently, NAB is offering the lowest rate in the market out of the majors. Rate cut is an attempt to actually support the economy. It actually has very little to do with housing affordability, market conditions. It has more to do with high unemployment and low inflation. Although it is an actual big boost to housing affordability in terms of what you would pay on your home loans. We're expecting one or more rate cut before the end of the year if employment and wages don't pick up between now and then. So likely in Brisbane, in terms of the markets, what we're finding is it's actually finding its feet. Seeing that there's increases in inquiry and definitely more people at open home attendances, so that's creeping up, which is great. I guess what that is off the back of is it's becoming more affordable in pricing, and obviously with the addition of the interest rate cuts, it's really making the environment a lot better. So interstate migration and population growth is expected to remain at 1.75% into next year, which is great news for us in Brisbane. So new research by Domain out this week expects that the Brisbane house unit values to bottom out in the next 6 months. So basically what's happening there is the apartment construction boom is winding down, with a number of apartments due to come to the market in the coming months. So house prices are expected to grow to between 3 and 5%, and units from 0 to 2% in 2020. So in general, that's great news for the market, and we're going to close out this year really well. Just wanted to let you guys know that we are going live again this Friday from 3:30 to 4 o'clock. We'd love you guys to come and join us. We talk about all things real estate. And if you've got some time on Friday afternoon, we'd love to see you there. Thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you soon.